In today's video, I have a purse unboxing. I'm super excited about this. I love watching designer unboxing videos, so I'm super excited to do the first of, I'm sure, many here on my channel. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you wanna see what I unbox, keep watching. To my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, so every time I upload, you'll be one of the first people to know. In addition to that, make sure you're following me on Instagram so that this way we can chat, you can interact with me on my polls, my questions, all of that. Before getting into today's video, I normally have a fun, bubbly personality, but I definitely just want to send my condolences to the family of George Floyd, the Minneapolis man who was killed by police officers. I definitely think we need arrests, not just them being fired from where they're from, and I felt really compelled that I had to say something about it today before just getting into a lighthearted video about unboxing an expensive purse, because although this may be my reality, there's a real world going on outside that is completely unjust, and it's just insane. I'm married to a black man. I have black stepsons. I'm sure in the future I'll have black sons, African-American sons. I have friends. If you didn't know this, my father is African-American. I'm actually Italian and African-American. So I just really felt the need, before getting into anything funny or lavish, to definitely just say that what's going on in this world right now is disgusting and sickening, and justice will not be served until every single one of those 4 police officers involved are arrested and in jail for murder. Today I was actually intending on shooting a completely different video, but then the FedEx delivery man came to my house super early this morning, and I was like, nope, I want to do my purse unboxing video. I have not seen this bag in person ever. I've never seen it on somebody. I've never seen it in the store. It was kind of like an impulse buy on the internet. So this is going to be my first time seeing it as I unbox it. Let's get into it. So, this is the box it came in. I purchased it from Nordstrom's. Nordstrom.com rather. And then inside, it looks like this. So let's see. A little thank you from Nordstrom's. This is actually my first Off-White purse, so I've never seen Off-White's box or anything like that. The presentation, I love. My husband has a lot of Off-White sneakers and clothing, so I kind of know about the brand's presentation. But like I said, this is my first purse, so let's open it. Okay. I love the color of the box. So, and there's a little dust bag. What does the dust bag say? So this is the bag. It has this cute little Off-White paper clip detail. And then what actually made me want this bag is that it can be a crossbody bag. If you watched my What's in My Purse video, quarantine edition, I will link it down below if you haven't seen it. But I did talk about how important I feel like crossbody bags are during the quarantine, so that you're not like contaminating your handles. So I was super sold on this. My first impression is it's really cute. Oh, I guess it has also a shoulder strap. So it could be a crossbody, a tote, or a shoulder strap. I believe this is called the diagonal striped tote. It retails for $9.88. I got it at Nordstrom's, and what's crazy is today I went on the site just to get a screenshot so I can add it to the video and it's actually sold out already. So I'm super excited that I was able to get it. On the inside, it just has the regular kind of off-white tags. If you're unfamiliar with Off-White, this is kind of how their branding and their tags are. And it has some really cute details on the inside. I don't know. That's on the inside pocket. So it's really cute. I needed a white bag. I don't own any white bags, so that's what actually drew me to this bag. It's summertime, so I figured now would be the perfect time for a white bag, even though we really don't have that many places to go thanks to COVID. But I love that it came with the diagonal shoulder strap. I had no idea about the tote shoulder strap. So I feel like it was a really good buy. Like I said, I believe it retailed for $9.89 or $9.88. It's currently, they didn't put the packing slip in the box, so I don't know the exact price. That is the style of the bag. It is the diagonal tote. Overall, I think she's super cute. I can't wait to use her. And yeah, super cute. I really do also love this kind of little paper clip detail. I think that's super cute. I know a lot of these smaller bags have that detail like as a clasp. So super cute. I love the color of the dust bag and the box. Love it. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder that my giveaway is still going on. So if you haven't entered, make sure you're watching my last video. I will link that down below. It is my May empties video and it will have all the details on how to enter my giveaway. There's still a few days left, so you might want to go ahead and enter. You might win. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.